Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to make egg and corned beef stew. First, gather your ingredients. 1 can of corned beef, 4 eggs, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bell pepper, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and your favorite seasonings like salt and black pepper. Having everything ready makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and minced garlic, sautéing them until they become fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Next, incorporate the diced bell peppers and tomatoes, letting them cook down for approximately 5 minutes until they soften slightly. This step is crucial for a rich, aromatic stew. It's time to introduce the stars of our dish. Open your can of corned beef and break it up directly into the pan with your sautéed vegetables. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the corned beef is well combined and heated through for about 3 minutes. Then, gently create 4 small wells in the mixture using the back of your spoon. Carefully crack 1 egg into each well, preparing them for the final cooking stage. To finish, cover the pan and let the eggs cook to your preferred doneness, whether you like them runny or firm. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the eggs are perfect, season your delicious egg and corned beef stew with salt and black pepper to taste. Serve immediately with rice or bread for a hearty meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.